Hello guys, today we are playing Hybrid Animals, where we're going to make a random combo and hope something happens. Okay. A bat. And for the mom, an ostrich. This sounds like a cursed combo. I wonder what it will come up with. Oh no. That is not normal. I'm naming this thing Regret. Father, why did you create me? Okay. This is 100% cursed. Okay. Get over here, you stupid T-Rex. I'm coming for you. Oh, wait, no, you're scared. I can take you on. Psych. Bye-bye, sucker. Ooh, hey. Hey, dude, can I steal your test? Yeah? Fine with that? Okay, thanks. Okay. Berries. Do you know what else I'm going to do? Stick. Get over here. Oh, that's a lot of points. I will become a tank. Get over here. Okay, mind it? There's a chest over there. An arm set. Okay, just give me a minute. Oh wait. There, just give me a sec. Okay, I just got back from checking something. Why is it nighttime? Bang, bang, bang. Okay. I hate ads that force you to go to Google Play. Not interested. What did we get? Oh, we got a single gem. That was not worth it. I barely even know what a gem does. I haven't played this game for ages. Cut me some slack. Hello, tiny poodle hummingbird. Why did you run into a wall, tiny poodle hummingbird? Okay. Genome. Nimble, I don't care about that. I'm going to get with this random abomination called Regret. Whatever this is. I don't know what Ultras means. I suppose that means heal then. Die. And I've leveled up again. I have enough points. Hello, giant octopus T-Rex. Ow, psych. You hurt my feelings. But I hurt yours way more. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, M, N, O, P. What's that? What's this? Oh. Storm Ascendant. You're level 12. I'm gonna kill you now. Ow! How bad is your aim? Are you kidding me? How bad are you? Okay. It's so scary, isn't it? Okay, I just got another Kino. Do. Hello, good sir. Okay, you can stop crying now. You can die. Thanks. What's that? I'm gonna get crafting. I don't know what that means. It's gonna take any longer. Wow, was useless. Die. Oh god. Ow. Oh, you're actually trying to hurt my emotions there. Stop. Get some help. Stop. That's what I thought. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm taking good old Regret on a walk. Where do I go? Teleport, Nubia. The land of the noobs is Nubia. The berries grew back in a single day. The chicken spider. It's a chicken spider.
The road is dangerous out there. Unless you're expecting it rain.
I don't know. Wow, that's expensive. Oh my god. I did a big Psych. Inventory. Ooh, hey, an anvil. Ooh, hey, an anvil. Truck. Okay, I don't know what you do, but can I merge the eggs? Oh, hey. I'm stealing your eggs. Aw, I don't have a bar of urine in here. Meow. Meow, meow. Can you talk English, please? I don't speak kitten. Buy items. Oh. No. 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 Okay, well, sell items then. Here. I don't need matcha or berries or meat. Yeah. Oh wait, no, I can just go murder people. I have no attacking power-ups. Mine. Crafting. Come here, tiny poodle person. Because they won't die instantly and give me all their coins. Yeah, okay, one kill. I know furniture. I have the best furniture. Oh, I know furniture. How many times do you need to say furniture in one sentence? I would love to buy your items. Have whatever this is. No. Ah, I got stuff. You can have the Mariah movie. Flaming orange shut up. Big table shut up. Box place house. Shotgun view, person view. Oh, wait, what? Oh, I can't attack him now. Oh, this is cool. I didn't even know you could do this. Wait, am I just seeing, Wait, put yourself in the mind of that tiny T-Rex raccoon. And then just instantly dying to regret. Hello? Take this. I'll take this. I'm Rick Scabbergy Gaboo Guy, A B C D F G. Hey, look, it's Bird Eye View. Hello? Yes? It's me speaking. I'm just more useless. But then, hello? Tiny Poodle Hummingbird. Hummingbird. I don't care what you are, I'm gonna find you and kill you. Just stop it. How dumb are... Hey! You're not as dumb as I thought. Look, I am faster. Ha 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 ha. Wee! Wee! Hi. Imagine instantly dying to the like of me. A, B, C, F, G, hey. Oh, what's that? Yangi, here I come. 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 Hi, Yangi. Oh, fuck. Okay, so this is where I'm going to end off the video for now. We have made it to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Rangamoy for more content.